Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. The iPhone 14 is about a month away, so here's everything that we know so far. But before we get into all that, if you want to see more videos from us in the future, it would be great if you consider hitting that subscribe button. Now let's start with the potential event date because that will be coming up sooner than you think. According to Mark Gurman, Apple is in fact planning to hold its first fall event on Wednesday, September 7, which will feature the iPhone 14 models as well as the Apple Watch Series 8. Now this year Apple is again introducing 4 phones, but the lineup is going to be a little bit different. We can expect to see a 6.1-inch of iPhone 14 and a 6.1-inch of iPhone 14 Pro, as well as 6.7-inch of iPhone 14 Max and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So that's right, multiple reports has pointed out that the iPhone mini this year is going to be discontinued. Another big change will be the removal of the notch in the favor of the new pill-shaped cutout, which will house the Face ID, dot projector and other Face ID components, and then a second circular cutout will be accommodating the front-facing camera. The non-Pro models are expected to be continued with the same standard notch, so if you are a big fan of it, well then you might want to consider going with the non-Pro models. But if you want to see a new design, then definitely the Pro models are going to be upgrading this year. For the display, last year iPhone 13 Pro models received 120Hz ProMotion technology, and that will continue to be exactly same as the Pro model. Again, this year will be coming with the 120Hz support. No 120Hz ProMotion will be coming with the non-Pro models. Now with this always-on display technology, which is coming, the iOS 16 wallpaper will feature a sleep state that will darken the wallpaper to use less energy. This is a much awaited feature which most people are looking forward. And the iPhone 14 Pro models are also expected to get an upgrade in the chassis department with an upgrade from stainless steel to titanium, which means that it is going to be more durable as compared to aluminum. However, the non-Pro models will be continue to stick with the same aluminum chassis. Now if we go ahead and look at the back of the iPhone from a camera perspective, Apple is expected to introduce a 48 megapixel camera up from 12 megapixel, which is kind of a big jump here. With 8K video recording capabilities, there could also be some good improvement to the telephoto lens, and we may see better ultra-wide camera as well. Now, the 48 megapixel wide main sensor and the telephoto lens improvement and the LiDAR scanner will continue to be exclusive features for the Pro models. No Pro models will be coming these features. Again, Apple is trying to distance itself much more from its non-Pro phones. Now, as far as the front-facing camera, all models will get an improved lens with a wide aperture and autofocus capabilities. In addition to those camera improvements and the notch change, the iPhone 14 Pro model could get an update in the chip department. We see an updated A16 chip, while the non-Pro models will continue to use the A15 chip that's currently found in the iPhone 13 lineup. If this happens, it will mark the first time that Apple has put a faster chip in a Pro iPhone models, and the non-Pros are coming with the old chipset, which is kind of a disappointment for many fans. Also rumored that these Pro models will getting the 8GB of RAM option. So as you can see by the theme here, it's really look like Apple is paying more attention and adding in these features in the Pro models, and with these changes they are forcing that people should buy their Pro models rather than non-Pro. While other minor rumors are out there, which includes that Wi-Fi 6E is making its way into the new iPhone for 2022, 2TB of storage could be coming this year, and it might look like that a new iPhone might not come with a physical SIM slot. Instead, it's strictly relying on the eSIM. Now, one of the biggest reasons which will affect the decision of buying the iPhone 14 Pro or non-Pro models will be, according to reports, Apple will also increase the price of the iPhone 14 Pro models. No shock there compared to the iPhone 13 Pro models. Well, according to Apple analyst Mick Chico, he predict that the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro models will be having a 10 to 15% of a price upgrade, which means that we could expect to have an increase of $150 or $200 of a price tag for the iPhone 14 series. And if that happens, then most people will consider buying the non-Pro models as compared to Pro models. And right now this is in the leaks. We don't know any confirmation about that. Take these leaks as a pinch of salt. And guys, if you want to keep yourself updated, do consider subscribing my channel for daily tech video. Thanks for watching. Peace.